I will show you how to improve image quality in Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Without wasting any more time, let us begin. First, open the Canva application or go to its official website. Here, click on Create a Design and then select Customized Size. Select the width and height as 1000, then click on Create a New Design. Once your project is open, click on Apps from your bottom left corner. Scroll down and from the AI-powered section, click on Enhancer. It will enhance the size and quality of the image. Click on Open. After that, click on Choose File. Now, locate the image that you want to enhance and upload it. Make sure to turn the toggle on given right next to Enhance Face. Once done, click on the Enhance Image button. Now, wait for some time until it is done. You will see the quality of your image has been improved. Now, resize the image and adjust it on your screen. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.